Day 5. Identifying your why. The new year excitement is officially gone. It's day 5. Statistically, this is where the initial dopamine hit of a new goal starts to evaporate. You're waking up, and the bed feels warmer than your ambition. Your muscles might be sore. Your inbox is filling up, and the old you is whispering that it's okay to take a break. This is the wall. Most people turn back here because they are running on what and how, but they've forgotten the why. Today, we aren't just pushing through. We are anchoring ourselves so deep that nothing can pull us off course. If you want to finish this year, you need a reason that is bigger than your excuses. We've all been there, setting a goal because it sounds good or looks good on social media. I want to lose 20 pounds. I want to start a side hustle. I want to read a book a week. Those are results, not reasons. If your why is external, based on the validation of others or a number on a scale, it will fail you the moment you feel lonely, tired, or frustrated. Resilience is an internal game. We need to move from extrinsic motivation, which is like a flash of straw, to intrinsic momentum, which is like a nuclear reactor. Today, we find your reactor. Let's do the work right now. This is the engine room of your year. I want you to take your main goal and ask yourself why 5 times. Level 1, you want to be successful. Why? Level 2, because you want financial freedom. Why? Level 3, because you want to stop feeling the crushing weight of debt every time a bill arrives. Why? Level 4, because you saw your parents struggle and you promised yourself you'd never feel that helplessness. Why? Because you want to provide a legacy of security and peace for your family that you never had. That level 5 reason, that is your anchor. That is what gets you out of bed at 5 a.m. when the room is cold and the world is quiet. When you know your level 5 why, the obstacles don't disappear, but they become insignificant compared to the mission. Once you have that why, you have to visualize it. In the resilience and momentum style, we don't just think, we act. Your why needs to be visible. Write that level 5 reason down on a piece of paper and tape it to your mirror. Put it on your phone lock screen. When the friction of the day hits, and it will hit, you don't ask, do I feel like doing this? You ask, does this serve my legacy? The answer will always be yes. You are no longer a victim of your moods. You are a servant to your mission. Your task for day 5. Spend 10 minutes in total silence today. No phone, no music, no distractions. Just you and your goal. Walk through those 5 levels of why until you hit a nerve. Find that deep-seated reason that makes your skin crawl with excitement and perhaps a little bit of fear. That's your truth. That is your momentum. If it doesn't make you feel something emotional, you haven't gone deep enough yet. Dig until you find the fuel.
You've made it 5 days. That's more than 90% of the people who started on January 1st.
By identifying your why, you've just armored your ambition. Tomorrow we take this fuel and apply it to our environment to make success inevitable. Your why is the only thing that will stand between you and the urge to quit when things get difficult. If you found your deep reason today, I want to see you claim it in the community. Drop a mission in the comments below to lock it in. I read every single one, and we are in this together. Don't let the momentum stop here. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single day of this journey, and share this video with one person who needs to find their spark again. Let's grow together. I'll see you tomorrow for day 6.